does fasting increase lifespan? This is going to be one of the most fascinating slides, I think, for a lot of people. It's jam-packed with research, and it has a plot twist that nobody could have expected. Beginning in 1935, studies have reported that caloric restriction can extend lifespan in various animals. Looking closer, scientists have found reduced production of reactive oxygen species and oxidative stress to be the mechanisms behind this life extension. Then, just when they thought they had it all figured out, in 1993 it was discovered that by subjecting rats to a diet restricting the amino acid methionine, lifespans were extended similarly to ones subjected to caloric restriction. In other words, it's not the absence of food that causes increased longevity, but the absence of certain foods, in this case methionine. The reduction in methionine consumption is responsible for the reduction in oxidative stress seen in fasting. So no, fasting does not increase lifespan. It increases stress, which is the precursor to all disease, degeneration, and aging. Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide, by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.